Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to print on a Canon Pixma TR4522 printer. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a Canon Pixma TR4522 printer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to print on this printer using your smartphone and your computer, both wirelessly and with a wired connection. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, using your smartphone, okay? What you want to do is download the Canon Print app, okay? So I'm going to go and I'm just going to open my phone over here. This is just a spare phone that I use for videos like this over here. So where is my Canon Print app? I'm not sure. This is all my apps. It's nowhere here. Oh, there it is. It was actually on the top there, but it's over here. So you're going to open your Canon Print app. You're going to make sure that obviously your printer is connected to the Canon Print app, and then you can print from a photo or print from a document. I'm going to go to photo print. So I'm going to click photo print over there, and I'm going to choose my photo from my smartphone. So I'm going to click smartphone. Here's all my pictures. I'm just going to pick a very simple picture right here. I'm going to click add, because I'm adding that to what I want to print. And then I'm going to click, it says one image right there. I'm going to click next over here. Okay, here's the image. It shows all of the options right here, how it would be printing and you can adjust those by going to print settings. But when you're ready to print, you're going to literally click the word print. So if I was ready to print, I would click the word print over here. Okay, now I'm not going to print this out because there's no need. I've already, I literally would click print and it would print out on the actual printer. Okay, so that's how to actually, I'm just going to exit out of this. That is how to print using your smartphone and the Canon Print app, okay? In addition, you can print wirelessly on your computer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your computer over here, and the driver for this specific printer is gonna be installed on the computer, okay? And you need to be connected to the same wireless network. So your computer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network that the printer is connected to, which most of the time, if you're using this at home or at your work, that's gonna be the case anyways. So make sure they're connected to the same network. When you click print on your browser, your word processing program, whatever the case is, when you click print, you're just going to make sure you choose the Canon Pixma TR4522 printer. Okay? You're literally just selecting this printer. Easy, no problem. The last way to print is via a wired connection. So if you look on the back of the printer, let's turn this around over here. On the back of the printer, there's actually a spot for a USB connection, which is right over here, as you can see right there. Okay, now the type of USB connection is not sort of the standard one that you'll see, okay? It is this one right here. So you're gonna go and you're gonna plug this into your printer, just like that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so just excuse me as I try and get it in there. There we go. And the other end, which is a sort of, it's likely gonna be a standard USB connection, you're gonna plug this into your computer. Make sure that the printer driver is installed in the computer once again, and when you plug it in, you're gonna get a nice, secure, fast connection to get printing your stuff, okay? Very simple. So you just want to wire it from the USB port on the back of the printer to the USB port on your computer. This is a nice long cord. You'd want something like this most likely. And then you're going to hit print. Make sure the driver is installed. And this printer should be selected and good to go. That's it. So those are the three ways to essentially print on this printer right here. I've shown you how to do it on the phone, which is most likely how most people will be doing it. It's also very easy to do wirelessly on the computer as long as you have the right driver installed, which is really easy to do and to get the right driver. And then also you can do it wired on the computer, which I recommend if your computer is close to your printer, do a wired connection. I always do that. I just like it better. It's just more consistent, a little bit faster and stuff like that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.